I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. One day I was at Barnes& and Noble and my husband was buying a couple of books and I saw this on the line. But it really caught my attention the way they label it. Learn to crochet kit for beginners. Let me just test it and give it to a complete beginner. And I asked my husband, better known as Amore, and he said yes. So let's get started. Let me share with you his honest opinion. This is all the material it brings, the poly fiber, all the yarn you're gonna be using. This kind of yarn is so easy to manage, so that is a big plus. It brings the yarn for the details. It has a pre-started piece, which is awesome. It's already started with the stitch markers. It brings a 4mm crochet hook and it's a very good quality. It has a QR code to take you directly to instructions, and it also gives you a telephone number and an email if you have any questions. It brings the safety eyes and the yarn needle. It brings a black yarn, which I believe it's because they want to give you the option to make the details either in white or black. So let's get started. Day one, my husband here learning how to grab the yarn and the needle. I'm going to leave it for your judgment if it was a success or if it was a little bit of a struggle. And the big question I had at this moment was, is he going to quit? Do I need to help him? So let's see how it goes.
Rotate the hook to face you again. Push the hook off to the left and pull the hook a little bit away from you. Yarn over by bringing the hook below and behind the working yarn. And then pull that yarn through both loops on the hook. So pull the piece and the hook away from each other as you rotate the tip of the hook to face the piece. Pull that yarn parallel to your body. The moment it clears those two loops, or rotate the hook to face you again, push it off to the left and pull the hook a little bit away from you.
You did great.
So funny. I kept looking at him, hoping that he would continue.
Chico, ¿cuántas veces tengo que escuchar esta mujer?
Congratulations, you are done with your second increase stitch.
Oh my goodness. This is where I thought he was gonna quit for sure.
Let's just double check that we have the correct number of V's. We just finished our second increase stitch.
For the second increase stitch. Doesn't mean anything to me. Means nothing to me.
Repeat what we've been doing in every beginning. We need to put an increase stitch.
I'm so sorry that I laughed, but it was just funny to see his frustration.
They're going too slow?
Starting from the 1.
I completely understand what he meant by saying that they're going too slow, because my husband's a very fast learner, but I also understand that they need to tailor to every kind of person that it's going to try to follow these instructions. So I believe so far what I've seen in the instructions is that they are very detailed, which is perfect for beginners.
You're advanced. This is too elementary for you. No, you were doing it right. I see.
He was doing so good. I really think he did very good being his first time on day one. But at the same time, I feel like he was getting frustrated because he realized that this was going to take him longer than expected. And at this point, I really thought he was going to quit. So funny how I know him. So now he's asking me, are you gonna finish this? This is gonna take too much. It's gonna take hours. And I'm trying to convince him that we cannot do it all at once, that he can break it in parts, maybe come back another day.
Number 1, 2, 3. Just completed every time you finished a bead. That's because
Not having fun,
you're
amore?
probably going to lose track of what stitch you're on at some point doing this round, since it's a lot.
I'm so glad he kept going and was able to accomplish at least a couple of rounds. We're gonna take a break and come back another day for day 2 and see how long it will take him to complete. Okay, so this is what he accomplished day 1. For day number 2, the rounds were kind of repeating, more or less the same. So he decided to write it down instead of listening to the video constantly. And that, I think, helped him more because he didn't have to pause the video and keep going. He just concentrate on following the pattern.
I need to bring it in, huh?
So,
Yeah, bring it through. Okay, so that's single.
so.
Now I'm gonna go to this hole, right? Then on this one here, I go like this. Then I'm gonna go like this again. That's one. Gonna do it again. Okay. And then I'm gonna do it again. Okay, that was the double.
So,
So that's 4.
the increase.
I had to keep reminding myself that he was not interested
Next
on
one.
learning the terminology.
Go like this. Create.
But I was right there next to him in case he needed to ask me questions.
Pull it through. That was 1. Go to the next one.
So how do you feel this time? Second time around. You did all this, amore, and your stitches are perfect. So how did you feel?
I think a little bit of stress, but then at the same time, I think by the time I finish it, I'm gonna be relaxed because then I'm getting the what kind of bothers me a little bit is the explanations. They kind of stop too much, and also because it's new for me, even though for some people who have been doing it for a long time, it makes a lot of sense. To me, it's like, algebra. One is C, then one increase. Okay, but now I get it. So after the second round, the second day doing it, I get it. Next, tomorrow or Wednesday should be, let's do tomorrow another hour. So to see where my stress level is. But I should be almost gone. I think by the time I finish, I will have no stress.
So you saw already, it's 18 rounds and we are on
5th one.
On the
Finish the 5th one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And then we need to do the little
yeah.
ears.
As you can see,
No,
day
2.
3, it's going so much quicker. He's already almost done with the whole body. He already got the concept of the decrease, making 2 stitches at a time to close the circle on the top. And now he's at the final step for the body, stitching it together to close the circle on the top. Proud student. He did so good. He came out so adorable. He was able to finish the task before our staycation, and here we are at the beach, and I would like to interview him and share with you everything about his experience.
Okay, Amore, will you do it again?
What? What again?
The little crochet kit that I gave you to try?
Yes.
Okay, so you will do it again? Like another kind?
Yeah, I will do it again, another kind. I have more patience, I have less patience. And after you do it, after the third day they do it, maybe after 3 hours, I got to relax and really enjoy it.
So do you think the instructions and the method of teaching is good?
The instructions were a little bit too slow for me. I mean, and maybe because I had you and I will ask you instead of just following the instructions. But if somebody is by first time or that person doesn't have anybody by their side, knows it, then I think the instructions are good.
Okay. Nice.
But the instructions were good.
Thank you for trying.
No, thank you for doing it. I didn't try it. I did it. Don't try to. I didn't try it. I did it.
Okay, so let's do that again. Thank you for doing this.
My pleasure. I'll do it again. But you know what you owe me, right?
Yes, a lot.
What do you owe me? Tell the people.
The people a lot. Like
No.
a good dinner, like
No,
steak
no,
and potato.
No, remember what I
Oh,
said?
the book.
Yes.
We're gonna go to Barnes and Noble and buy it.
Or a thrift store.
Oh, a thrift store.
Yeah.
Oh, less expensive.
Yes.
I like the idea.
Just to put it in perspective, he has like 20 to 30 books that he didn't read yet. So that's why he now has the green light to buy more. So what do you think? Look at this. Came out so cute. The only thing I helped him with was this. That's the only thing. The rest was him. Oh, and the little lines, the white lines. Oh my goodness. I am so happy that he said yes to this challenge. For me, it has been beautiful to see how much he supports what I do. We will continue to enjoy our time at the beach. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time, goodbye.